If you're looking to share a photo album on your iPhone but aren't sure how to do it, you might find it frustrating trying to figure out the right steps. Whether you want to share memories with friends or collaborate on an album with family members, this guide will walk you through how to easily share your photo albums. Here is how you can do this. Solution 1. Share an album using iCloud. Open Setting. Tap Apple ID. Tap iCloud. Tap Photos, turn on the iCloud photo, and scroll down. Enable Shared Album. Quickly after that, just create an album and share it from your photos. Here is how. Open the Photos app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Album, tap Create, enter the name of your album, tap the plus icon to add photos on Photos album that you want to share. Tap Invite under the Participants. Tap plus icon to add the person that you want to share your album. Tap Done. After that, your friend will get an invitation from his Photos album. Just tell him or her to accept it. There you go. Now after that, your album will start to be shared with the person you want to share it. By following these steps, you can confidently share your Photos albums with anyone, making sure they have access to the memories you've captured.